guys, welcome back to the channel Job Updates where Verma I give daily job updates as well as career guidance interview tips in our channel. If you have come first time in our channel, you can subscribe, and if you like this video you can hit the like button, and if you dislike this video or dislike the content you can click on dislike button, because we provide quality content, so you will not get bored after this video and you will achieve your success path with the help of us. So first job notification has come from IBM. They are hiring for intern or project trainee position. Just before 3 to 4 months back, IBM have already published their notification for hiring few of campus recruitments. Again, they have published to hire intern or project trainee position. So IBM is topmost renowned IT company. All you know, there you will be a part of SOP deployment team, where you will get a chance to work with AWS GCP. So the required qualification is for this role good to have completed any course on Pluralsight or Coursera or EDX on programming, cloud, or data science or AI. So if you don't have done any course in these courses, try to do some courses from Coursera platform or EDX platform, because you can apply there free for any course regarding cloud or data science, or also you can do your certification from Udemy. A quick starter who works with minimal direction, that is also required for this job notification. Candidate with have academic record very good and studying either of BTech or MEM Tech in these few branches like computer science, electronics, mechatronics, and electrical. Same for the MEM Tech. If you are from these batches, you are eligible. It's a full-time internship, paid internship. It's and minimum you can expect 20 to 25K as stipend during this period. Later they will increase the salary and they will also offer full-time opportunity. So basically this hiring is for Bangalore location. Bachelor degree are eligible. So just click on apply now button. Then you just need to create your account. Just if you have done previously also, same format, you have to upload your resume and then fill up the details: last name, first name, primary email, experience level, if you have any skill sets. Then after filling this and country, you have to click on no thanks, continue to apply. If you require to join, if you need to get job alerts from their team, then you can click on join button to get job alerts on a regular basis. Otherwise you can click on no thanks, continue to apply. Then you have to fill your work experience details if you have any, your previous internship experience if you have any, and also your skill sets details and your educational details there. Okay, so this one has come from IBM. Now we are moving forward to the next job notification, which has come from Alpha AI of Campus Drive. They are hiring freshers for front-end developer position. Alpha AI is a analytics company. Uh, their team helps their main customers are WhatsApp, and the profile offered for this role like full stack, man stack developer, front end developer. Your joining location will be New Delhi. Freshers are eligible. Courses like BTech in CSC or IT are eligible. Target batch is 2021. Salary is very good, from 4 LPA to 8 LPA. It depends upon the final. The final statistic actually depends upon the candidate's performance in the interview. Then company will give you the offer from 4 LPA to 8 LPA range. Tentative date of interview we will expect in end of October, and tentative date of joining also after completion of the interview within 1 week you can join. Like you can expect interview like this is today is 6th of October. You can expect interview on 16th of October or 18th of October. The shortlisted candidates will be sent the admit cards or call letters on their registered mail ID. They need to carry that on the date of interview. No candidate will be entertained by the company without formal intimation from the aspiring minds. So 3 rounds will be there: technical discussion, live coding, and HR discussion. Basically here no aptitude round is required. So your roles will be, you will be working with the full stack team. so there obviously React.js knowledge is required, and familiarity with MongoDB, React.js, Node.js, Net.js are plus point. Okay, click on apply link if you really interested. It's a very good job, high paid job. Then in the MCAT portal you need to go through the notification once again. Then you can directly click on apply there. Then if you are registered candidate, then you can simply log in there with your email address or password. Otherwise you need to register for free through MCAT, and through MCAT you can able to submit the portal or submit the application. Okay, so this is the simple steps. Please let me know if you have any comments, or please let me know if you want this type of without aptitude round cracking off campus drives also in the comment box. Thanks for watching. We will meet in next video with new job updates. Take care.